Have you ever scrolled through LinkedIn or Instagram and instantly noticed which posts stop your thumb and which ones get ignored in a blink? There's a reason for that. Some posts are beautifully designed with sharp visuals and tight copy. Others? Well, they look like someone threw them together 5 minutes before lunch. The truth is, in today's feed-driven world, design matters, and so does the message. But here's the good news. You no longer need to be a professional designer or copywriter to create posts that look like agency work. With the right tools, specifically ChatGPT and Canva, you can create high-quality, brand-consistent content in just a few minutes. This lesson walks you through a simple yet powerful workflow that combines AI-generated writing with easy design templates. We'll show you how to go from zero to scroll-stopping content without relying on complex design tools or your coffee-fueled creativity. Let's start with the foundation. What actually makes social content effective? Every great post has 3 key ingredients: a hook, some value, and a call to action. Think of the hook as your post's headline. It's what grabs attention as someone scrolls by. A good hook might be a bold statement, a surprising stat, or even a question. Something like, most teams waste 5 hours a week on manual reports. That'll catch the right kind of attention. Then comes the value. These are 2 or 3 short points that give the reader something useful. An insight, a tip, or a takeaway that earns their time. Finally, the CTA, the call to action. This tells the reader what to do next. Whether it's comment for the template, click the link, or save this post for later, a good CTA creates engagement. Here's a quick ChatGPT prompt to generate this kind of post in seconds. Act as a brand personality. Write a LinkedIn post on topic for audience. Include hook, value, and CTA. Tone, professional, witty, or bold. Your choice. Try it once, and you'll be hooked. Now let's talk visuals. Even if your post copy is top-notch, blurry, or messy, design can instantly kill credibility. Canva changes that. Start by searching for a platform-specific template, LinkedIn post or Instagram story, for example, and go for a minimalist layout that won't compete with your message. Once you've got a design, use your brand kit to apply your logo, colors, and fonts in just one click. Swap in your ChatGPT-generated text, and if you need an image, use Canva's text-to-image feature. You can even draft minor tweaks to your captions directly inside Canva using its Magic Write tool. Think of it this way: the template is your pre-iced cake. All you have to do is sprinkle on your message. Now, if you're posting regularly, designing each graphic one by one can feel like a full-time job. That's where Canva's bulk create workflow becomes your secret weapon. Here's how it works. Let's say you've got 10 LinkedIn post ideas drafted with ChatGPT. Open your chosen Canva template, head to Apps Bulk Create, and upload a CSV file with your post copy in one column and image prompts in another. You'll then map those text and image fields to your Canva design, and just like that, hit Generate. Canva builds 10 polished visuals in seconds. It's efficient, it's fast, and most importantly, it shifts your effort from repetitive clicking to strategic thinking. You're not just designing, you're producing content at scale. Next, let's talk about cross-platform repurposing, because why let one good idea do only one job? With Canva's resize feature, you can take that LinkedIn post and instantly adapt it for Instagram stories or Twitter. Each platform has its own dimensions, character limits, and style. So here's a simple framework. LinkedIn loves square posts, 1200 x 1200, and longer copy up to 3000 characters. Instagram stories prefer vertical visuals, 1080 x 1920, with bold text overlay. Twitter, or X, goes for wide images and punchy captions, 280 characters max. Use Canva's resize tool. Then tweak your captions using ChatGPT again. Ask it to rewrite your LinkedIn caption for Twitter using a more casual or punchy tone and include a hashtag like #AI workflows to increase reach. The result? One content idea, multiple formats, giving you more visibility with minimal extra effort. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. You've learned how to generate high-impact copy with ChatGPT using the Hook Value CTA model. You've seen how to quickly design posts using Canva templates and your brand kit, no graphic designer required. You've used Bulk Create to turn a spreadsheet into a week of social posts in one click. And you've repurposed content for multiple platforms using Resize and ChatGPT rewrites. This kind of workflow doesn't just look professional. It saves serious time while helping you stay consistent across platforms, and that's the ultimate win. Now, grab the Social Post Builder worksheet from the Resources tab, and let's turn your content ideas into a stunning, scalable content system.